So hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I will be showing you how to get started with appointment scheduling on the inside of Google Calendar without needing any third-party tools. Google Calendar is not just for managing events, it can also be a powerful free tool to help you schedule your appointments professionally. So let's dive right in. But before we dive in, make sure to check the link in the description. Now let's get started. First, you have to log into your Google Calendar, like Google account. As you can see, I'm already logged on to it. Now click the Google Apps menu in the top right corner and then open the Google Calendar. Search for the Google Calendar. Here it is. Tap onto this Google Calendar. Once you are inside, you will see your main calendar view. Now keep in mind that you can create different calendars for different purposes. Each calendar can have its own appointment schedule, but today I will just use my default calendar because I want my appointments to integrate directly into my daily schedule. So now you have to click the create button here at the top left corner. This create button of your screen, you can see this. Tap onto this and from there you can choose the event, task or appointment schedule. For the purposes of this video I'm gonna choose appointment schedule. Now you will start setting up your appointment booking. First give it a title. From here you can see this, something like what, consultation. Okay, let's type in consultation. That works great if you want it to stay flexible and broad. Now choose how long each appointment will last. Option include like 15 minutes, 13 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours. If you want, you can also customize the duration from here, but for now I will just keep it like 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour is perfect. Then set your general availability. Choose which day you are available. For example, Monday. Okay, Monday through Friday. Here you can see this. If you want, you can just remove them, like tap onto unavailable all day, and that's it, you are unavailable for the day. And if you want to add another day like this, if you want to show that if you are available for that day, just tap onto this plus icon. You can also tap onto this plus icon to also available on Saturday, but as most of the days people are often on the weekly holiday on Saturday, so I'm gonna just remove it. So this is simple. So you can also add breaks, like simply split your day into 2 working periods from here. You can add plus and then you can enter your 2 working periods. For his instance here you can see that it is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. so I'm going to choose it to like 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Simple. This is very simple thing. So once you set it up, use the duplicate tool to copy your availability across all weekdays, saving you tons of time. From here you can see this copy option, you can just copy them. And also you can customize it from does not repeat or repeat weekly, that's it. And you can also customize, like if you want to be available for after 1 week or 2 weeks, like that you can use it. Now decide how far in advance people can book you. You can limit bookings to set date range restrict last time. Like from here you can available now, like start and end dates. From here you can choose them. April 8 to, I'm gonna choose, okay, this is perfect, like July 27, 2025. Here you can see this is saying that excluding window start and end dates. Now tap done and people can book you from like 60 days or 1 month before the scheduled interview. So as you can see, I allow people to look up to 60 days in advance. I require at least 24 hours. Okay, let me type it to 24 hours. Okay, like people need to book at least before 24 hours. They contact with me on the interview. So you can also block off specific dates manually if you are unable, like vacations or public holidays from here, as I just mentioned you earlier. You can also adjust date availability from here. You can just choose the which day you would be available, then that's it. You can customize them here. You can also customize these booked appointment settings here. You can buffer time from here to signing this, and you can customize them. You can customize like maximum bookings per day, like how many people can book interviews with you per day from here. For example, 4 is perfect. And also if you want to guest permissions, then you can activate it. Now from the calendar you can customize the color of this. For example, I'll go with this color. This is perfect. So this is pretty much is it. Now you have to tap onto next, and then you can tap onto save. And if you want to edit these, like if you want to add extra text or something like title here, then you can do it by like this, and that's it. As you can see, if you want to add text, just tap onto that and then tap add title. You can add text from here. You can add description. You can choose my task like this from here, then you can tap onto save. So this is the simple way on how you can use appointment schedule in Google Calendar. You can add custom fields like your phone number, your additional notes or questions if you want. Here, just tap onto this, and then you can choose the find a time. You can tap all day if you want to be available for the whole day, and that's pretty much it. You can also create more from here, like create new calendar and follow the previous steps I told you. You have to name the new calendar, then you have to enter description, then you can tap create calendar. Also you can change the time destination from any country, like if you're from USA you just have to choose the USA, and that will be added. You can add more appointment schedule from here. Also you can create event or task schedules from your Google Forms. So this is pretty much it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Like if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. You can now have a fully functioning appointment schedule system built right inside your Google Calendar. You don't need any third-party apps now. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any future tech tips. And if you have any questions or need help setting it up, drop a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.